What causes this sound? So on a lot of roller coaster lift hills, you're going to hear this famous clicking sound. And you may or may not have wondered before, what exactly causes them? Well, the cause of the sound is the anti-rollback system on the lift hill that prevents the trains from rolling back down. In the case of something like the chain snapping, it is a safety system in place to prevent it from rolling back down the lift. And as the train goes up, that's what makes the clicking sound.